Hi, Sultan, منور.
So zoom علي.
Okay, my name is Ahmed.
Yay, Sam. Abdullah. Yay. I'm good, sir.
This is the first time on the world.
Where?
You are lucky to see this. This is the first time. You know the marble?
The marble.
The marble.
The marble.
Marble.
Yeah.
If you in waiting area, you have in front of you marble.
Yeah, marble.
You can imagination a lot of things, no?
Yeah.
This is drawing with the line of marble. See?
Wow.
See?
All of this one?
Yes, all this. See?
It's cool. This one is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is on the marble, right?
It's marble. Photo of marble.
It's cool.
See this?
Wow.
More than 87.
78?
78, yes.
Yeah. 78 years?
Yeah. No. I mean 42 years ago.
Really?
It's my sketches. When I was studying in Italy.
Ah, when you're still studying.
And I work this. And this
Yeah.
is my calligraphy.
Yeah. Love it. Thank you, sir, again. Thank you.
Enjoy your time.
Just finished my tour here in the Diriyah or the Bujairi Park or the Diriyahnights. So I'm heading to the Seven Moons. Yeah, it's a night of palaboy. So I'm waiting for my Uber. Maybe 2 minutes. We will just get here already.
Salam. Assalamualaikum. I'm good.